Hi guys, we're going to be jumping on the trampoline today. I hope you enjoy, but whoever subscribes and gives me a thumbs up and turns on notifications, I'm having a fidget spinner giveaway. I just bought this one. It is a very colorful one, but it doesn't spin as fast. This one I got was a long time ago when I really wanted one. And this one, I got this one at Circle K with my Aunt Liz, and I just got this one shiny gold today. And this one was first. So I hope you enjoy. It's so sunny out here, you guys. You guys might not be able to see, but I'll try. That was trash. That was trash too. So I hope you guys liked the video. Bye.